Hello students, you are studying exercise 14.2 which is over for mode of the given data, group data. Now you will study the median of the group data. Median of the group data we know in the previous section. If you find the median means it is a middlemost value. If median is given, find median of given data, that is if it is given 4, 7, 8, 12, 15, 7, 6, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 7. So what is the number of terms that we know in the previous class 7? It is odd. So then first we arrange in the order, arrange in ascending or descending order. So we'll write the 4, 6, 7, 7, 8, 12, 15. Round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th place value of arranged data. Arranged data. It is very important. Arranged data only you will get. So what is the arranged data? The n plus 1 means 7 plus 1 upon 2h gives you 4th place. Therefore, median is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 place is 12. It is wrong. What will you take? 1, 2, 3, 4. This box you will put here and then write median is equal to 7. It is one formula given in the previous class, in 9th as well as in the 7th. So, if the number of terms are it like a second part, it is first example I am telling you next. 7, 9, 4, 6, 12, 18, 15, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a, what is the value? N is equal to 8. N is equal to 8 means it is even. What is the number that is even? So first you arrange it. Arrange in ascending order. So what will you get? 4, 7, 9, 4, 6, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 15, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you count it. Then there will be no any missing number. Then the median is equal to, then median formula is given n upon 2th place plus n upon 2 plus 1th place divided by 2. N upon 2, here n plus 1 upon 2, here n upon 2 means, what is the 8? 8, it means 4th place plus 5th place divided by 2. What is the 4th and, you will not write 5 plus 4, 9. What is the 4th and 5th place? You see here 1, 2, if you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, then here 6. But here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th place number you put in the box. And then write down, therefore, median is equal to 9 plus 11 by 2. 19, 11 plus 9, 20 by 2, that is 10, which is not present in this, but middlemost value of the given data will be 12, middlemost value. Median tells you the number which is the median, before that the same number of value is present and after this. If 10 is here, 4 is present here and 4 is present there. Median gives you the middlemost value, the whole data divide, half of the data will be after the median, half of the data will be before the median. But when the frequency distribution table is given in the introduction of graph chapter, it is given in the class 8, one thing, when it is given, find the median. Median of xi is given 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Like this it is given. And fi is given. In this case, you can't use, you will use the same formula what is given there. Fi is given. So what is the Fi? 7, 3, 14, 6, 8, 12, 10. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total is 60. What is given? Total is given 60. 60 students are there. They are getting the marks. 10, 3, 7 students, 15, 3 students. It is not given like this 10, 10, 10, 10 like this. If the mode you want, then 20 is the mode. Why mode is 20? Because 14 is the highest value. 14 is the maximum frequency and the variate which is maximum frequency is called 20. Means 20 repeat 14 times. So mode is for 20. But median, you want middlemost value and it is given in the order. So for this, it is n is given 60. So it is what? N is 60. So it is even or odd? Even. Therefore median is equal to 60 n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th place divided by 2 means 30th place plus 31st place divided by 2. First you find out the 30. How will you find the 30th place? Then there is a one term, there is a cumulative frequency, CF. What is the CF? CF is called cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency which you know in the class 8th maybe or 9th. Cumulative frequency means you will start from here. It is given 10. How many are getting 10? 7. How many are getting? Then you will add this. 7 will be add this plus. 7 plus 3, 10. What is the meaning? 7 plus 3. Then you will add and get 10 plus 14. 24. Like 10 plus 14. Or you can write 7 plus 3 plus 14. Both are the same thing. So like only for your convenience to understand that type. 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 8, 38. 38 plus 12. Like this you will get 50. 50 plus 10, 60. Your first cumulative frequency will be 7 and the last frequency will be sigma Fi. It is called sigma Fi which is n here. It must be same, otherwise it is wrong. Less than means the marks obtaining 10 is 7, marks obtaining less than 15 is 10. Less than 15 means from 0 to 15. Less than 20, all. 24 students are less than or equal to 20. Less than 25, that is 25 marks are less than it is 30. 30 marks are less than it is 38. 35 marks less than it is 50. 40 marks less than this is 60. So total 40 are less than it is a sigma Fi. This means it is correct. Now from 1 to 24 they are getting 20, 25 to 30 they are getting 25 to 30, 25. So what is the 30th place number? 30th place number is 25. And 31st place value is what? 31st place. 31st place value is what? 25, and then it is not given if it is 32. Then 30 and 31 both will be 25. But 31 starts from 30. So 31st place is 30. One is this and one is 2 values you are getting. Sometimes you will get same. If here 32 is given, then 30 plus 30 you write. What will you write here? 25 plus 30 divide by 2, then 3 to 5. 55 divided by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 15, 2 points. 27.5 is the median. All the half 30 students before 27.5 and 30 students after 27.5. It is called the very simple cumulative frequency you will find out. That is below this. All the numbers you are getting, and if the class interval is given then also you can get very simple and easy method of finding the cumulative frequency. How will you make the cumulative frequency distribution table? Cumulative table is there is a two type of cumulative frequency distribution table. There is a two type of cumulative frequency distribution table for the class interval, and for this you will calculate two type of the cumulative frequency distribution table. It is two type. What is given? One is given less than type, another frequency distribution is given more than or equal to. More than or equal to type. More than or equal to type means the value what is given this and equal it may, but less than type, what value here given, it will be not included in that. So in the less than type we use the upper limit of the class interval. Upper limit, use upper limit. In the more than type we use the lower limit. More than type we use the lower limit of the class interval. Like this, if the class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, it is given. Okay, it is given, and frequency is given, Fi is given 11, 13, 12, 18, 7, 9, 10. Ten, 80. It is given total. You want the less than type. You want to less than type frequency distributable, then the class interval means, suppose it is marks given. So marks will be, it is a first type, less than type. Marks and the cumulative frequency CF. If the table you want to form, then you change it. Less than type, what will you write? Less than upper limit. What is the upper limit? 10 or below 10. Less than 10 or below 10, or you can use this less than 10. It is also the same thing. These two are the same thing. Less than sign you put. So less than 20, upper limits you write. Less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70. You are getting. So what is the first one as it is? Second one is sum of this 11 plus 13. 11 plus 13, 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 1, 2. 24 plus 12, 36. 36 plus 18, 14. 54. 54 plus 7, 61. 61 plus 9, 70. 71 plus 10, 80. What is the last? You are getting sigma Fi. First will be as it is, and it is called the less than type. If you want more than or equal to type, same thing. More than or equal to. It is what will you write? More than or equal to, what is the lower limit? 0. It is your marks and it is your CF. For example, I am telling you, it is your CF. Then you will get what is more than or equal to 0. More than or equal to sign you will reduce greater than or equal to 0, like this. This or this you can write, but more than or equal to 10, more than or equal to 20, more than or equal to 30, more than or equal to 40, more than or equal to 50, more than or equal to 60. 60 is the last one here. More than or equal to 0, 10, 20, 30. Then in this case, sigma Fi will be at the top. Sigma Fi 80 is at the top. 80 minus 11. More than and 0 all. Total are more than this. 80 minus 11, what will you get? 69. 69 minus, it is, you are getting by 80 minus 11. 69 minus 13, what will you get? 6 and 5. 56 minus 12, 4. 44. 44 minus 18, 26. 26 minus 7, 19. 19 minus 9, 10. Last will be the same. What is the last frequency? That will be the last CF. What is the sigma Fi? It will be the first. But you see, it is less than, it is more than, but both are not the just reverse order. If you think that it is more than, we write 80, 70, 61, 54, 36, 24, 11, then it is wrong. Here you see, 80 is here, first one is common, but second here given 70, but here 69. Here 61, here 56. Like this you are getting. It will be add. Here you are getting 11 plus 13. Here you are getting 24 plus 12. Like this you are getting, you are adding plus, but here you subtract from, first one is the same sigma Fi, then subtract the first frequency, then what is the result? Subtract the second, then what is the result? Subtract the third, then what is the result? 44, what will you get? You are getting 56 minus 12. Here how are you getting? 44 minus 18. Here how are you getting? 26 minus 7. Here how are you getting? 19 minus 9. So all subtracted. Previous one subtract the current, you get the. So there is a two type of the cumulative frequency distribution, but the median will be calculated by this. Median, when you use the formula, median formula, I will tell you in the next lecture. Thanks.